So hello guys, good morning here from Panglao Bohol. So yeah, I had a great sleep last night and then just ready for this next day, half day of my travel journey. Then just ready for this next day, half day of my travel journey. So yeah, so hopefully you just enjoy my previous vlog just showing the place here in Bohol Bee Farm. So yeah, good morning. Let's get up and get ready for the next adventure for today. They have their menu, guys, at the back of the door. So yeah, inside the room, so you can order food anytime that you want. So yeah.
There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see.
So good morning guys. So I will try to look over there what is in there on this farm. So this is like Bohol Bee Farm. So yeah, you can see farm in here. A lot of vegetable, then a lot of trees surrounded by. So yeah. Then we try to take a look what kind of vegetable that they have in here, because later I cannot go with a tour since I just plan to go out in the going to Napaling Reef, because one of the friends just invited me to go there. So here, this is their cabbage. So this is the nursery of cabbage in here, and this part, yeah. So they have like long cabbage in cabbages. Bohol Bee Farm. So this is their garden. What is the name of this one? Coriander. This one is celery. Ah, that's the plant that you just cook their own in the restaurant garden. So yeah. Okay. This is their garden, guys. So a lot of herbs surrounded by. So this kind of herbs or vegetables. Okay guys, let's heading to their biggest garden in here, in like vegetable, herbs. So yeah, so most of them, this is their function, like function garden. So where is it? Oh, this is the ice cream room. They just made the ice cream in here. Ouch. So this is the ice cream room production. Here is a mixing area. And here, this is tablia and spread processing. And here, this is tea production. And here, oh, so this is the packing area. And also, ay, yawan po eh. Sorry. Morning! So they have also a volleyball area in here, because last time I saw people just do a volleyball like during like late in the afternoon. So let's try to look their farm, like their farm outside. Okay, so mao nilang farm. So I guess the plant is just like some herbs as well. So yeah, if you just taste their like vegetable garden on the restaurant, guys, was really nice. That was the food that we ordered, me and my good friend, really. So we just ordered that vegetable last night on our dinner. So yeah, the taste was really great. So yeah. So this is their main entrance, guys, going inside. So yeah, this is the main entrance where the tourists, people just entering in here. So yeah, so if you just visiting to this spot, guys, they have also arranging for the tour, like countryside tour from Chocolate Hills, like land tour as well. So yeah, you just inquire this information area in here. So this is their main hallway, guys. Just entering here in Bohol Bee Farm. Then we try to take a look of birds in here. Maybe we can try to look later the swimming pool. Since the swimming pool is open at 7 p.m. So they have like, I don't know what kind of bird this one. Hi there. Here. Good morning. Hello. It's flying. Good morning. Take akong photos. So here, this is still a processing area for the ice cream. So yeah, any kinds of flavor, like preparation of ice cream. There is the production here. This is the preparation. So yeah. So let's take a look here at the entrance before heading to the restaurant. So yeah. Unsa oras sa ganing breakfast, miss? 79. Thank you. These are the spice that they use their ingredients on the restaurant, guys. They have peppermint. They have also fennel. They have also green tea. A lot. You can almost name of all, guys. There's a lot in here. So yeah, I just really love to strolling around during the morning in here. So yeah, when I woke up, I just straight to the garden, just look it out, because later on I will go to the spot of free diving. So yeah, that's why I just strolling very early in here before I just having my breakfast. So yeah, their herbs, guys, is really like unique style of planting, you know. So it's kind of beautiful and kind of amazing. I feel amazed to this kind of plants. So yeah. So this is just ice cream area, guys. So later on it can be open like 8 a.m. I guess. And also they have crafting in here. So yeah. So they make this for like livelihood. So this is raffia weaving, really. Morning, yeah. So it's nice. Good morning. So this is raffia weaving, guys. I think this is their like some like tools, or what is this, what call this one, to just do the for rafting. So yeah. So this is kind of livelihood. That's nice. So yeah, here on this spot, crafts and livelihood. Wow, they have sewing machine in here to sew that stuff. And here they have a lot of garments, and here they have arts craft, yeah, and also some sewing machine as well. Yeah, the arts and crafts. So that's kind of like very unique in here. They have also bags. Wow, this is the price that they just made. It's kind of nice, you know. That's the price, you know. Yeah, that's nice because they just made this like their own native, like handmade arts and crafts. So yeah, here, guys, they have a lot of pathways that you just take on here. So yeah, so it's nice like to just having like discovering on this path, you know. So they have also a bakery. So the name is Bee Baker. You just made their own bread. So yeah, here's the bakery in here. Yeah. So mostly I saw like banana bread. They just produce a banana bread in here and they sell into the restaurant. So yeah. So here, guys, this is their stores. So you just saw here like natural made, like some honey, some ingredients, like natural coffee in here. So yeah, so let's go downstairs, guys, to look at the sea, if it is a high tide or I don't know. So let's go downside, and then after that one I just heading back to the restaurant to eat my breakfast. So yeah. That way. Okay, so this is the view, the down view to this place, guys. So yeah, so I will go to the downstairs to just take a look to the ocean out there. So yeah, so this is the restaurant in here, the common restaurant. So yeah, so let's go to downstairs. Sorry. Wow, it's high tide. It's high tide for today. See, it's high tide. Yeah. Okay, finally I'm here. Let's put my cell phone or something for just a moment. Okay, this is the view for the downstairs, guys. So yeah. So this is the downstairs view in here, guys. So I'm sweating now for a bit earlier in the morning. So I just chilling here for just a moment, then going up to eat the breakfast. So yeah. So yeah, here before I think they have like diving shop, and then after the pandemic, then plus the super typhoon hit in here, then wow, everything was changed, everything was damaged, you know. So yeah. I'm a little bit sweating now. So this is their downstairs. Oh, so it's high tide now, because if they just do like low tide in here, so the water is like super far. They have like big low tide, same as I just saw on the white beach yesterday. That just we ran like, I just ran 5 kilometers, and a friend of mine, he just ran like 6 kilometers. Wow, he just like looks more athlete than me. What the heck. Anyway, guys, I was really happy for our moment yesterday together with him, because I'm not expecting that he can do running a lot, he can do sports a lot. Anyway, it's not like you can see it, like the body was really nice. What the heck. And he's a good one. So yeah, so I'm just we just having a good time yesterday at the beach. We just running from the Libaong White Beach and then going to the South Palm beach resort. So yeah, it's kind of a little bit long, and we're just kind of fun. So for me, guys, here I just visiting here just only a 1-day trip, and also one night overnight stay. So yeah, because this is a really unplanned trip, but it's kind of challenging and funny, you know, because this is like Bohol. I came from Cebu. I just after the work, so I just jumped right off in here. Anyway, I'm just happy, because the reason why should I need to stay this place, because I like the place. It's like beautiful, it's kind of farm, and also I want to run the beach So that's the number one reason why. So glad that we and my no, me and my friend, we just went running like late in the afternoon. So wow, what a nice feeling for me. So yeah. Okay guys, let's go to the upstairs and I will try to just inform the information area that I need, like a trice or motorcycle just to take me in Napaling Reef. So I just want to meet the friends also. One of a friend that I met here yesterday. So yeah, because he's a free diver and me, I'm not a good swimmer. So how I can do a free diving? Maybe I just studied first of swimming. So yeah, I think that's a good idea. So yeah. Na 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 na. Here we are, and wait, it's too confused, but so far away. Every day we do one day. That was so funny though. What the heck? So anyway guys, I'm gonna show you the map. So they have their map in the entire Bohol. So this island consists of a lot of barangays and also beaches. So if you're just visiting here in Bohol Bee Farm, so you can look their map along like in the hallway. So for now guys, I am waiting for the breakfast. What happened to my voice? Oh my god. So yeah, so I'm just still here sitting, just waiting for the breakfast. Excuse me. And then I will try to look the map, the Google map in here, going to the place that one of a friend just told me to just visit to their free diving spot. So how I wish. So when I just look in the map, so it's like 10 kilometers away from here, from Bohol Bee Farm Resort to the Napaling Reef. So Napaling Reef is just nearby or just located nearby to the Momo Beach. So yeah. So later on, I need to Google map because I'm not really familiar to this place in here. So yeah, thank you. Thank you. Sorry. It's already served. So yeah. So this is not the wine guys, this is a water. So the water in here, like the bottle of water, is just like a wine. So yeah. Coffee and cream and sugar. So finally, I got this brown sugar. I think this natural made here in Bohol Bee Farm. So yeah, so let's put this on.
To me, that's all I need. If I could stay, then I will stay here forever. If you're meant to, then let's be the best together.
So for now, I'm here in the cliff diving in Tangnan, in other side of Panglao Bohol. So yeah, so for now, I'm out of battery. So this is like a short video in here. So this is the cliff diving. Then I saw some like free diving. So this is like a free diving spot in here. So yeah, so I arrived super early. And one of my friend, I guess, they just like do for free diving like after an hour. But I'm out of my battery now. We'll see if I just have another battery on this bag. So yeah, so maybe I just take some snap for a moment while waiting for him. So yeah, but I cannot have a chance to meet him here guys in the freediving spot because a friend of mine, he was a safety officer for the freediving competition. So yeah, anyway, maybe we can meet like in underwater because we and my friends in snorkeling, so we just do a same spot. So yeah, so anyway guys, meeting in a good friend in a good time was kind of nice, but meeting in just like in hurry time, like in not in a right time. So yeah, it's kind of nice also. So yeah.
'Cause we've been told that's the way our world goes round. Walking on the grounds we've always known, stepping on the footprints in the snow. But when it melts, the other ways will show.